Hey there, I'm Cecilia Brusatori, a Microsoft certified trainer, and I've helped a whole lot of people level up their tech skills and go after Microsoft certifications. But here's the truth: watching videos or taking a course isn't always enough to pass. That's why I created the Mastermind Study Group, an exclusive cohort based experience where members are all working toward the same goal. We meet live, we dig into the content, we present, we do homework, we practice, and most importantly, we support each other. This is for people preparing for the Microsoft certification exam, or even if you're not taking the exam right now, but want to follow the same journey, you're welcome too. It's not a class where you just sit and listen. You'll be part of it fully. If that sounds like your kind of learning and if you're committed, collaborative, and ready to grow, apply now. Not everyone gets in, but the ones who do, they move forward together. Let's do this.